Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make cotton candy popsicles. First, gather your simple ingredients: cotton candy, water, and granulated sugar. You will also need popsicle molds and wooden sticks. Begin by preparing a simple syrup. Dissolve 1 cup of granulated sugar into 1 cup of hot water, stirring until it is completely clear. This sweet base is crucial for our delicious frozen treats. Now let's create the vibrant cotton candy syrup. Take about 2 ounces of your favorite cotton candy and place it into a heat-proof bowl. Carefully pour the warm, simple syrup you just prepared over the cotton candy. Stir the mixture gently but continuously. You will see the cotton candy magically dissolve, transforming into a beautifully colored, sweet liquid. This is the heart of your popsicle. With your cotton candy syrup ready, it's time to fill the molds. Carefully pour the vibrant liquid into each popsicle mold, leaving about 1/4 inch of space from the top. This allows for slight expansion during freezing. Next, insert a popsicle stick into the center of each filled mold, ensuring it stands upright. Place the molds into your freezer for at least 4 to 6 hours, or until they are completely solid. Once your cotton candy popsicles are thoroughly frozen, it's time to enjoy them. To easily unmold, briefly run warm water over the outside of each popsicle mold for about 10 to 15 seconds. Then, gently pull the stick to release your beautiful frozen treat. Serve these delightful, colorful popsicles immediately. They are a perfect, sweet, and refreshing dessert for any occasion, bringing a touch of whimsy to your day.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.